Looking for a tie rod? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 5 tie rod available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect tie rod for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list. We have the Fat Dragon Golf Tie Rod End. Golf carts are one of the easiest vehicles to repair. Their design makes them very strong and durable. The Fat Dragon's Golf Tie Rod End for club supports almost all golf carts made until the year 2008. It is a brand new set of tie rod end with a high-quality structure that allows your vehicle steering properly. It improves the suspension performance and increases overall balance of the vehicle as well. The package includes 3 parts that are 2 ball joints, left-hand thread and right-hand thread, and 1 ball joint. You should buy 2 sets of this rod end if you want an even number of backups. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Mugi S3488 tie rod end. Tie rod ends are used to connect 2 parts together. They are usually made out of steel or aluminum. These tie rod ends are designed to absorb shocks and prevent damage when the vehicle hits something hard. They also help reduce vibrations. The Mugi S3487 tie rod end is a great choice for your car. It has been tested thoroughly before going into production. It has a metal design that increases its strength. It also has a gusher bearing which eliminates the spring bind and prevents breaking. The ball studs are heat-treated while being manufactured. This helps increase the strength of the ball studs. The wrench flats make it easier to install and align even in the most difficult-to-reach places. At number 3 on our list, we have the Detroit Axle tie rod end. 4-piece sets are quite common amongst tie rod ends, as these sets contain every part and component that is needed in the tie rod assembly. This kit contains 2 front inner tie rods and 2 outer front tie rods. These components are manufactured in high quality and industry standard technology by Detroit Axle, who is a leading supplier of many automotive parts. As this brand is known for producing reliable products, you can expect high quality performance from this kit. In order to ensure this performance for a longer period of time, Detroit Axle provides a long 10-year warranty period on this product. At number 4 on our list, we have the Delco 46A07078 tie rod end. This is an affordable tie rod end that will last you a long time. It is light and easy to install. You won't need any tools to do it. It has a full metal ball stud, which makes it stronger than others. It has a low friction double bearing, which allows smooth motion. It has a great impact resistance, and it is very reliable. It also comes with a 1-year warranty. And finally, at number 5 on our list, we have the Suspension Dudes 4PC tie rod end. Suspension Dudes is a well-known name in the automotive industry. Their products are used by many people who want to improve the performance of their vehicles. They offer great advice about how to fix problems with your car. They sell parts for cars made by Chevy and GMC. They make sure that the parts they sell are top quality. They are strong enough to handle any terrain. You should get this part if your suspension makes noises when driving over rough roads. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.